Everyone dreams. Dreams are usually mysterious and confusing, and sometimes they are an intolerable hell, and it may be beautiful that you do not want to wake up from it. Whatever the nature of the dream is, it is a mysterious and strange phenomenon that occurs to us during sleep and makes us wonder many puzzling questions such as, what is a dream? What is the purpose of the dream? How do dreams happen? And other questions. In an attempt to explain the phenomenon of dreams, researchers have been able to identify a number of strange things and facts about dreams that we show you. 1. Everyone dreams. Some believe that he does not dream, and this is not true, because all people dream only of people who suffer from severe mental disorders, but 60% do not remember their dreams. 2. Animals also dream. Research has shown that animals perform the same actions and reactions that humans do while sleeping and seeing dreams. 3. The blind are dreaming. Yes, they lost sight of dreaming, but in the event that he was born blind, he does not see any pictures, but their dreams are according to his other senses such as sound, touch, smell, and emotion. 4. We forget 90% of our dreams after waking up. During the first 5 minutes of waking we forget half of the dream, and after 10 minutes we forget 90% of the dream. 5. Dreams in black or white. Studies have shown that 12% of people dream of black and white, while in 1915 this percentage reached 50% due to the emergence of black and white television at the time. 6. Symbols in a dream. If you dreamed of something, then it is often not the object of the dream. The language of dreams depends on symbols, as a person in a dream does not see lengthy dialogues or deep interpretations, but rather only deep symbols and intermittent scenes. 7. We dream of several dreams in one night. One of the facts that you do not know about dreams is that the average dreams that a normal person dreams about are from 4 to 7 dreams per night, and that every dream is longer than the dream that precedes it. At first night it may take 5 minutes, while the last dream before waking up is the longest dream. It may take about 45 minutes, but it is likely that dreams will be shorter. 8. Merging external influences. A dream may be affected by the external factors surrounding it, and sometimes the mind merges it with the dream to become part of our dreams. For example, if you hear a strong music sound at home, you can dream that you are in a concert. 9. Most inventions are inspired by dreams. Many of the most important inventions of mankind have been inspired by dreams, such as a sewing machine, a periodic table, and a Google site idea. 10. Clear or conscious dreams. There is a group of people that can control dreams, which is called lucid dreaming, but of course this requires special skills in the person. Through a study of 3,000 people, it was found that 64.9% of the participants were aware that she was dreaming during a dream, and 34% of them were able to control what is happening in the dream. According to the researchers, this skill can be developed and is useful for people who suffer from frequent nightmares. 11. Pre-dreams or inner sense. Some people may dream about things before they actually happen. They happen in the same way and in the same time and place. This phenomenon is called the phenomenon of pre-dreams or inner sense. A warning warns them of the disaster. Mark Twain dreamed of the death of his twin brother and several warning dreams about the Titanic disaster. 12. In our dreams we see only those we know. In our dreams we see only the faces that we know or have seen before in life, even if for several moments the strangers that you see in your dream are not from your imagination but you saw them before in reality, but you do not remember them. We see in our lives thousands of people that are stored in our brains. For example, perhaps someone who tried to kill you in your last nightmare was the gas station operator that you encountered and glimpsed for a minute or less, or that the old frightening lady sitting next to you on the bus might visit you in your next nightmare. 13. Difference between dreams. Between women and men. Men's dreams differ from women's dreams. About 70% of female subjects in male dreams are men only, while women dream of an equal number of men and men are more aggressive in their dreams than women. Also, women suffer from nightmares and emotional dreams more than men. 14. You cannot dream while snoring. Experiences and research have shown the absence of dreams during snoring, yet this has not been confirmed scientifically until now. 15. A person spends about 6 years of his life dreaming. 16. Dreams of children. Young children do not dream about themselves until the age of 3 years, also children until the age of 7 or 8 years of their dreams are nightmares. 17. Don't sleep in a cold place. The colder the room you sleep in, the more chances you will see nightmares in your dream. 18. Recurring dreams. If you experience a repetition of the same dream or nightmare several times, this means that there is a message and this dream is seen, then it must search and reach its meaning. For example, the nightmare of killing people means that you must stop injuring people with your words and behavior. 19. Dreams help to learn. This is strange but true. Although sleep is associated with calm and rest, but our brains are more active during dreams, studies have proven that dreams are the brain's means of processing, praising and understanding new information. When the brain dreams, it helps to learn and solve problems. To improve the quality of your sleep and the brain's ability to learn, noise during sleep must be avoided. It negatively affects the length and quality of dreams. 20. Sleep paralysis. He is a kind of real nightmares, and whoever suffers from him as a child can know how terrible the matter is, and there are two types of it. The first is the inability to move, and the other is the feeling of having something very evil in the room, and the individual does not feel that he is in a dream, but he is in something completely real. 21. Walking while sleeping. Walking during sleep is one of the forms of serious sleep disturbances. The person affected by it may do many dangerous things during his sleep and move already during his dream, as a result of a disturbance in the deep stage of sleep in which dreams occur. One of the most famous examples of cases of walking while sleeping drove a person a distance of 22 miles. His cousin was killed, all during his sleep. Another person jumped from a window on the 3rd floor while he was sleeping, but he miraculously survived. 22. Complete the dream after waking up. If you are dreaming of a happy dream and you woke up suddenly and want to speak this dream, all you have to do is to stay in the same position that you woke up to and not move at all or move any member of your body, and then close your eyes and restore your dream. 23. You cannot read in dreams or know time. The vast majority of people are unable to read in dreams, so if you are not sure whether you are dreaming or in fact, try to read anything. And also in relation to knowing the time in a dream, every time you look at the clock it will tell you a different time, as the clock will be non-existent or not moving, and according to the sayings of the majority of dreamers. 24. The oldest document in history on dreams. The oldest document on dreams was in the time of the pharaohs 5,000 years ago, and it is a pharaonic book on the interpretation of dreams. 25. Dreams in the Roman era. During the Roman era, dreams were presented by the Roman Senate for interpretation. And they thought they were letters from the gods.